afraid he gets free food.
Get it out of your hand.
What's up, you guys? We made it to Animas Forks. I'm inside one of the cabins right now. This is one I haven't been in years. I've been to Animas Forks a few times over the last few years, so I've done video of me in some of the other buildings, so I figured why not do this one. This one's called the Gustafson House. But yeah, I mean, they're doing a pretty good job of preserving these things, but they are rickety, made out of all wood. But they kind of come in through here every now and then and like add things to these to stabilize them a little bit, so at least they're doing that. Okay, right now I'm at the very back of the house, and I'm just gonna kind of walk through here so you can get an idea what it's like. You can tell some of the new wood that's been added, and then brand new looking. It's old school style, but it looks like a fairly new doorknob for the back door. Got the window here. Kind of cool. But yeah, I've been up here so many times. I'm trying to look at things I haven't really gotten on video before. And this is one of them. So we kind of had an issue. I kind of abandoned the gimbal for a second, but we kind of had an issue with the second side-by-side, not the one I'm driving, but the other one. The check engine light came on. We can't really figure out why, and sometimes it doesn't want to go into gear. So we're stopped and kind of looking at it right now to see if there's anything weird going on. But that's why we didn't really stop at the top of Cinnamon Pass, because we were trying to book it back down here to Animas Forks a little lower down so that we could kind of look at things and see what's going on. So anyway, from here, we're gonna head back down the county road, hook back up with Stony Pass, and head back on over to Creede. Hopefully we can get there without further issues and get there before dark. We got headlights on these things, but you know, it's just when you're dealing with some of these trails, you want to have as much visibility as possible. How many miles did you say it was?
Oh, I didn't hear.
Oh.
40? 30.
All right, so if we go 30 miles per hour the whole way, we'll get there in an hour.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Good luck. Well, if we all piled on your ATV, we could. It'd be great to like have it as a joke, like have some tea and saucer.
Yeah. Let's get physical.
Walking in the view. Good style.
I think that's that girl. That's probably her car.
Oh, yeah, that's probably it. It's still kind of a far walk. Yeah.
She had all her hiking gear, backpack, and all that stuff.
Wow. Oh, South Dakota.
Just crazy, the weird green color of those rocks.
Oh, yeah. It's wild.
we blast through this creek crossing?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Y'all ready?
I'm in.
I'm gonna fake them out. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna go up to it slow and then just barrel
Got
through it. Yeah. Okay, we ready?
Oh, got it! Did it? No, they didn't get it.
My crotch is wet.
Look what you did.
You little jerk. Hey, to be fair, I did ask permission first.
Oh, that one is slow-mo.
Yeah. I mean, the water literally came up to this.
I thought it was gonna flow in, and it was like straight up.
All these campsites out here, like free to camp?
Yeah, you can literally just camp
Really?
anywhere. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I wanted to originally. I wanted to go to Beartown and Kite Lake, but
Yeah.
we just can't. The time frame we're dealing with. Lost my faith in the clearance of this thing.
I know, right? I think the last year's models had a little higher clearance.
Yeah. Guess we'll know next time when she says, which one do you want?
Right?
We want that one.
We're going to 1000s.
Yep.
No exceptions.
Some sunshine peeking through.
Yeah.
Everybody lean.
Yeah. Good.
Lean with it. Lean with it. This is gonna be hairy.
There's some sharp rocks over here.
Yep.
This is definitely probably the roughest part of the.
Yep.
Yeah.
We made it.
Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
That's where we had trouble getting over.
Yeah.
Yep.
Going down's a little easier. Gravity helps you.
They tried to clear this path.
Since it's on this downhill, like the rain probably washes all the dirt out, so they could clear it, and then a few days later, it's probably.
Yeah.
There's a few trails we've gone on in the past where it's like this, but there's running water down the whole thing.
Oh man.
Really?
Yeah. So you're like, basically it's like a creek crossing while you're climbing.
While you're climbing.
Yeah.
Wow. That's probably hard to navigate.
Yeah.
Especially the water.
Yeah, no kidding. Skid plate check.
Yep. Like Michelle, we definitely tested out your skid plates. They work pretty good.
Yes. Alright.
The worst is behind us.
Love that guy from the box trolls.
Oh, when he eats the cheese.
Delicious.
Yeah. Archibald Snatcher. To the tasting room.
That's good. They look so greasy and just so dirty all the time.
Yeah. Oh, they're leading some horses through.
That's awesome.
And they got a dog, a corgi, I think. Something you don't see every day.
No. That was cool.
Just
Lily
horsing around.
Lily would have loved that. My old Sounds like we step up fortune cookies. I don't think those are fortune cookies, kid.
I'm slinging, mud slinging. What if that was the one we would have punched through?
Like, I went back for my mom. You son of a bitch. I hate manure. My bit quote.
Now we done messed up our car wash we had earlier.
I know. That's true.
Hoopa stink.
What's that?
Hoopa stink.
I don't think they're around anymore, are they?
No.
They broke up a long time ago. I had one of their CDs.
Yeah,
Back in the day.
Same. What's up, guys? So it is actually the next morning. We got back pretty late and we kind of made a mad dash. We had some trouble coming back. One of the side-by-sides that we had rented had a check engine light come on, and it really didn't want to like shift into high. So we're having some trouble. We got it to go and got it back to the trailer. But we just kind of made a mad dash. That's why we didn't really stop much after we got to the top of Stony Pass on the way back. We just kind of went straight back and didn't stop after that. So had to get everything loaded quickly and then tried to beat or make it on time to get gas and get dinner. So a lot of places close early out here in the mountains. But anyway, that's how it went. So we started out at the Rio Grande Reservoir, went over Stony Pass, went down the county road over to Animas Forks. Well, we took the high bypass road that you don't have to go into Animas Forks, and we connected up into Cinnamon and went over Cinnamon to American Basin, and that was our turnaround point. So we turned around there and basically did everything, although we did stop at Animas Forks on the way back. So anyway, there were a decent amount of people on the trail, but on our way back, we didn't really encounter much of anyone. I think it's because it was so late. We usually come back earlier in the day around like 4:30, but we didn't get back till like 7:30. So everybody else was already off the mountain while we were on our way down. So anyway, that's what happened.